Good evening guys. So ito na naman po tayo sa ating 30 roles and responsibilities. Nakalimutan ko kahapon eh. So ito na po tayo guys. Emergency preparedness and communication. So the safety officer is responsible for ensuring that all employees are well informed about their duties and responsibilities. This includes providing clear guidance and instruction on responding effectively during any safety during such situation. Okay guys? So, ibig sabihin si safety officer, kailangan niyang i-training ng emergency preparedness as per the plan yung mga tao o yung mga emergency response team. Yun ang kanyang roles and responsibilities. So, yun, ang 20 naman natin is monitoring and compliance of permit to work system. Okay, ano ang responsibilidad ni safety officer sa PTW system? So, ensure compliance with applicable laws, regulation, and standard. So, pag si safety officer, kailangan mag-develop ng PTW procedure para sa kanyang company o sa organization based sa kanilang work scope. Okay? At ito ay ino-audit always or minomonitor lagi. Okay? Based doon sa procedure na ginawa. So, PTW, dalawa lang po, non-routine at saka routine activity ang sakop ng PTW. So, kailangan si safety officer, siya po ang magmo-monitor niyan. Okay? Kung nai-implement nga ba or nakukomply ng production team or ng project site team. Okay guys? So, good evening. Ayun na naman po ang safety roles and responsibilities ng safety officer. Good night.